Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to show you how to fix error QA495 when you MIGO with movement time 3 to 1. Let's get started. This slide shows the detail how error QA495 display. When you execute MIGO and choose transporting and other with the movement time is 3 to 1. And when you post, the system will pop up like this. Change the inspection stop of material 6000 in QM only. This is a screen of MMBE. There is a number of stock in the quality inspection, and this means that the stock in inspection lot with no US citizen posted. And also this means that you cannot directly post this material with a movement 3 to 1 directly from MIGO. Instead of that, you need to go to the inspection lot and make some US decision, and the system will automate create movement 3 to 1 for you. And next slide I will show you the detailed step. This slide is the detailed step how you make US decision. Need to use QA32. You enter the time the lot is created. You also enter the plan issue, the inspection lot, and the material. And also enable select only inspection lot without a user decision and execute. System will list on the pending inspection lots for you like this. This slide is show you how to do result recording, and you select the inspection lot you want to insert the result, and you press result, and next you enter the identification and enter. After that, you put the inspection and also the result. You also choose on the item and press close and press save. The system will notify that the result already saved successful. And this slide I will show you how to do the user decision after you input the result. To the line you want to input decision, you enter the UD code like this: SG S and 01 as is positive. In the inspection lot example, I input on 20 pieces to the unrestricted view, and I press save. After you make user decision, you can check again with MB51. The system will create a material document with movement time 3 to 1 for you, and you can check the stock more detail with transaction MMBE. This is the before screen. The quality inspection is 32 pieces, and after the quality inspection it decreased 20, and now the remain quality is 12, and the unrestricted view is increased 20. This is and for the set today. I have several issues related to the SAP issue. You can check here. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.